You know, it's amazing how triggered some people can get when you talk about Bitcoin dropping. If you would just pull your head out of your ass and listen to what I say, you could make a fucking killing. But for some reason, if you say Bitcoin's going to top out, we're going to the moon, you're full of crap, you don't know what you're talking about. Well, apparently I was correct, because we dropped down as low as 40,500. We did stay above 42K that long. So I'm going to give you your price targets, guys, and write them down and see how accurate these are. And by the way, you can access all these live charts on the website pinned in the first comment description. And if you use my Big Gate affiliate link, that's pinned in the first comment description as well. So this is a video I put out. This was March 18th. Listen to what I said. I was telling you how important 42,357 was, 42,000, that general area. But you can also see here on the H1 chart, 42,357. Right here on the C1BG chart, your next major resistance above that point just happens to be around 42,273. Right here on the C1 chart is 42,300. I'd like to show you, so this is the G. So I made it very clear how strong resistance 42,300 was, and I told you why I expect us to get top out going by the G1 chart. This was a video I put up on March 19th. I'll put a link up to it now. Listen to what I said about this red line in this ring. So I do believe that we are topped out, and we will start heading down, and at any point we break this, I believe that's when the capitulation will begin. So I made it very clear, according to this G1 chart, I showed you, go back and watch the video, I showed you why this, I don't went into detail about it, why this red line was so important as resistance, as well as this white ring. And you can see what happened, guys. We topped out right here where I said we would. We dropped down to, what, 40,500? And I keep you updated on Twitter. And I was showing you, these are just points I mentioned in the videos that I just referenced. 42,344. We dropped. You can see right here. And I told you, even in that video, I said, look, if we push back up, the next point to short was 42,170. That's where I mentioned it in the video. This is a screenshot of the video. We came back up and hit it again. And then, again, I was in a profit, $2,000 on that trade. I mean, the H1 chart tells you exactly where to get in. Short 42,354, that's what I mentioned in the video. Came down this way long, 41,585. We hit it again, 42,444. That's where I put in another short. And we came down to 41,669. Right here, and I keep you guys updated. It said next major support, 41K to 40,800. That's where I said you would long. And look what happened. We came down, and look, the next candle opened right here and pushed up. So you had a perfect entry point. And again, we pushed up to the next line. That's where you short. You short resistance, you long support, you short resistance, you long support, you short resistance. It's that simple. And you can see how it's played out. And I mean, again, we've been killing it. You can see this isn't Discord. 111%, 30%, 57, 112, 92. Let's see, 43, 27, 112, 103, 81. 72, 21, 38, 88, 51, 77, 209, 45, 37, 239. Good job. 100, 142, 136, 110, 40, 148. I mean, you have the charts. You know where to long, you know where to short. 99, 212, 29, 103. 1,074. Wow. 71, 32, 121. So again, guys, 1,075. The charts are your support resistance levels. So again, just listen to what I say. Write down these support and resistance levels, all right? And I'm gonna give them all to you. So I'll come back to this chart. I'll give you current support resistance levels. I would like to point out the Dow is down 158 points. Remember, if the markets are up, Bitcoin will be up. Markets are down, Bitcoin will be down. So pay attention to the indices. Right now we're down a bit. We'll have to see what happens when markets open. I do know, according to this particular Dow Jones chart, and remember, guys, the indices typically move together. I do know that 35,000 is a brick wall. Just like I said in this video, that around 42,000 to 42,300 was a brick wall for Bitcoin. I believe that is also the case for the Dow Jones. And remember, markets tend to move together. So if the Dow's coming down, NASDAQ, S&P come down as well. And look at the bigger picture, guys. As I mentioned previously, you know, back when we had a cross, we had a COVID crash. We just had a cross recently on the monthly with the Dow. So I do believe that ultimately we are headed down to possibly as low as this point right here. That is a hell of a drop. So let me give you I already have the price targets on here, guys. Just pay attention, write them down. If we push up, You're going to get a lot of resistance at 41,824 to potentially 41,612. Ideal point to short. Your next support level, this is the C1 chart, 39,650. This is the C1BG chart. This is the chart charted for the Big Get Exchange. Another brick wall, guys, 41,800 if you push up. Ideal point to short. If you come down, a point to long, 40,980. If that breaks, the next point you long is down here at 40,177. But the most important chart to watch right now, guys, is the H1 chart. I mean, price has been respecting this just unbelievably well. So look, if you push up, the next point you short, 41,753. Remember, I said that other chart, 41,800. That is going to be a brick wall. Your current support that's holding right now is this blue line here at 41,244. So if you come down, the next point you chance along is 41,120. If that breaks, the next point you chance along is 40,674. And if that breaks, the next point you chance along is 40,230. If we get above 41,753, just like back here, rejected, this would be then an ideal point to go in a heavy short, 42,621. I don't think we're going that high, guys. I think 41,800 is going to be a top for more downside. And remember what I said, guys, on this chart, this is the point you want to watch at any point. And I still stick with what I'm saying. Once we break below 40K, I think we're not getting back above 40K for a long time. But the ultimate point you want to watch, this plays along with that orange ring I was talking about in the beginning of this video. I will go in a long around 36,729 up to a certain point to take my profit, but as soon as 36,729 breaks, I think that's when we start capitulating. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to access these charts, the website's OptimarCrypto.com. The link will be pinned in the first comment description. And if you use my Big Get affiliate link, that's also pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.